Hello, Grade 4 students. Today, we're going to learn about folders and how to organize files on our computers just like we organize our clothes in our wardrobes. Creating folders. In computing, a folder is a container on the computer in which files and other folders are kept. We can create folders to organize our files better. To create a new folder, we need to follow these simple steps. Right-click with your mouse anywhere on your desktop if the area is blank. From the menu that appears, left-click on New. Another menu will pop up, and we should select Folder. We will get a new folder on our desktop, and the cursor will be automatically placed inside the folder name, so we can immediately type the folder name we want. By default, the new folder will have a name as New Folder. Type the desired folder name and press Enter. Renaming files and folders. Now that we have created a folder, let's learn how to rename it or any file. We have 4 methods to rename files or folders. Right-click the file or folder. Click Rename from the menu that appears. Click the file or folder, and press the F2 key on the keyboard. Click the file or folder. If the folder is in another folder, click File at the top of the window, and select Rename from the list of available options. Click the file or folder you want to rename by single-clicking the file. Once highlighted, wait a few seconds and click the file again. A box should appear surrounding the file or folder name, and we should be able to rename the file. If we want to rename multiple files or folders at once, we can follow these steps. Open a folder that has a lot of folders or files in it. In the folder, select all the files we want to rename by pressing Ctrl+A to select all. Once the files have been selected, press F2 and type the new name for the files. Press the Enter key on the keyboard. For example, typing Projects will rename the files and folders to Projects, Projects 1, Project 2, Project 3, etc. Differences between files and folders. Folders are also called directories. They are used to organize files on our computer. One significant difference between folders and files is that while folders take up no space on the hard drive, files have a size ranging from a few bytes to gigabytes. Folders allow us to organize our files by storing similar files in a folder and naming the folder so that we can retrieve files whenever required. To summarize the differences between files and folders. Folders are used to store different files and other folders. Folders are also called directories and are used to organize files. Unlike files, folders do not need any special software to create them. Folders have no size, while files vary greatly in size from a few bytes to gigabytes. Conclusion. In conclusion, organizing our files is as essential as organizing our clothes. By creating folders and naming them appropriately, we can easily locate our files whenever we need them. I hope you enjoyed learning about folders today.